Okay, I think I figured out the mystery. You get 9 products, you get to pick 3. I obviously did not pick the 3rd product, so they picked one for me, and it was this Jolo 2.0, and I looked at the bottom, and it says Luster Lip, and it's lipstick, which is fine. But let me tell you something. This Ty's Beauty Plumping, okay, it plumps. It's still plumping. My lips are still a little burny, but not too bad. But I can't really tell whether my lips are plumping or not, maybe. But I definitely feel like it's plumping. Okay, on to the next product. This is Tarte. Had Tarte before, love Tarte. Tarte is great. Creaseless concealer. This is in 2N light, medium, neutral. And this is the one you put under your eyes. I really like Tarte. It blends nicely. And this looks like a good color for me. So this is a thumbs up. I am happy. It sells for $27. And then the last thing is Treluce Beauty Lucet Glow Highlighter Duo. Okay, and I picked this, I think, because I wanted to try a new highlighter. So, this is from Clean Beauty, Highlighter Duo in Cosmic and Upgrade. Has vitamin E and Mexican agave extract for shimmer glow skin and softening. So let's take a look at it. And radiate your light out in the world and lucate beautifully with this highlighter palette that will help you achieve a lit from within glow. Vitamin E and Mexican blue agave deliver a unique softness as you layer on each shimmering shade to increase the most illuminating look. All right, let's see. Open up the little box. Let's see what we have here. Okay, that's the box. Very nice. And here we go. Comes with a little mirror. And we have Cosmic here, which is kind of a pinky highlighter. And Upgrade here, which is more of a gold highlighter. I usually go for the gold highlighter. Okay. Excuse me, let's see how it looks. No telling how this will go. I'll use the gold one. Okay, so some of the places that you can put highlighter. I can't see a thing without my glasses. Okay, is under the brow bone. I didn't put on any highlighter today, so I'm using the Upgrade. Under the brow bone. Okay, and then I'm going to use the Cosmic same brush. Cupid's bow. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, I'll use the Upgrade for down the bridge. Wow, bridge of the nose. Okay, and then I'll use the upgrade for the cheekbones. Usually I'd use a fluffier brush than this. Whoa, you can see that from the moon. Let's go a little easier on that. I have no idea what I look like because, oh, I should be using the mirror. Hold on, folks. Can't see much in the camera. Okay, underneath the eyebrows doesn't look too bad. Cupid's bow here is like, yeah, it's not too bad. Let's tame it down a little. You know, you can always take a damp makeup sponge, you know, beauty blender, damp one, and just press it. I'm just using a makeup wipe, but you can press it. And you know where else I like to do a little highlighter? Press it against, if you've done too much makeup somewhere, just press it against there and it will, even against your eyeshadow, if you put too much eyeshadow on, just take your beauty blender damp and press it against there and it will help remove some of the excess. Okay. Anyway, I like this. Practice makes perfect. Okay, so, and how much was this? I picked this, $18. So let's see what all I got. So I got this Treluce Beauty, Clean Beauty, Lucite Glow Highlighter Duo. Like that, $18. I got the Bauble Bar 2 pairs of earrings. And that, I picked that, and that was $36. I like that. I got the Ultra Repair Wild Oat Hydrating Toner. They sent me that, and I like it, $24. I got the Gold McFadden MD Plant Profusion Night Cream, $185. It's a little overpriced. I got the Alicia Keys Soul Care Let Me Glow Illuminating Serum. And I picked that. And that is $26. Don't you love it when I hold it over here? $26. I got the Olivia Palermo Beauty Primetime Illuminating Serum, Glow Boosting for $40. I got the Tarte Creaseless Concealer, $27. I got the Lipstick J.Lo 2.0, which I didn't know I was getting. I don't know how much this was. But anyway, that answers one of my questions. So we'll say this was $25. I don't know. Then I got this Tise Beauty Lip Plumping, $30. Lip treatment. Is that everything? Yeah, that's everything. Okay, so I added it up and I couldn't figure out because it was really a low amount And I thought, that's strange. But now I understand why, because didn't have my 9th product. So I'm gonna say, I don't know how much your lipstick is. I'll say, I don't know what I said before. I'll say $30, okay? So the amount, which is my favorite, okay? I would say my favorite is, I really like this Duo highlighter, okay? Little practice, I'll get better at it, okay? And using the right kind of mirror. I really like that. And I really like the serums, especially this one. I'm anxious to use this one. This one looks really classy, okay? So I think those are my 2 favorites, and I really don't have a not favorite. The lipstick probably, because I have so many lipsticks, but that's all right. That was my fault. So no problem. So when I added it up, I got $136. That seemed really, really low. But with the lipstick, if we say that was about $30, drum roll please, it's probably closer to $166 retail value. So that's really good. So I'm giving this Ipsy Glam Bag X a 5 out of 5. I think it's great. And I like what I got to pick. So I'm very happy. What do you all think? Tell me in the comments down below. Okay, that's it for my May Ipsy Glam Bag X. And I hope to see you again. Also, if you missed my April Glam Bag Plus, put it in the description down below and at the end, the end card, so you can watch it. Because it was a good one too, okay? Well, I hope to see you at Nona's here again very soon. Thanks so much for stopping by. And remember, be kind to everyone, because there's a lot of crazy people out there.